everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. We're down at the allotment again. What I wanted to do today was make a start along here. As you can see, there's big gaps in the fence and all this wood is rotten. That's on my neighbour's side. I don't know what they're doing about this plot yet, but as you can see, it's just a total mess. What I've got to do, I'm going to make a start, and then later on I'm going to go down and see if I'll see them and find out what's going on with this plot, because something's got to be done about this. I want to put my seeds in there for the bees and that, but I'm going to try and weed out as much of it as I can today, so that we can, when we're ready to go, or when I ask them what they're doing with this, we can get going. So we're going to make a start on this, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, we're getting there. Just have to get out make sure we get out as much of it as we can. Get out see some of these roots are like running roots, so you've got to take your time and go along with them. Right, so got a magnolia tree there that needs some like Epsom salts and fertiliser around it. I'm going to do that after. Got rhododendron here, and I think I've got a peony here somewhere, what I've got to find in a minute. And then I'm trying to avoid all these old tulips. I'll leave those in there for now, and then we'll just carry it along. Next, now we're going up into the mint section, so the whole place is going to be smelling of mint in a minute. Right, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to like, share, subscribe. It's free. You just press the subscribe button, and when we do new videos, which is Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, you'll get a notification to let you know that we've released a new video. So thanks to all those who subscribe and watching the channel. We're just here learning from each other. There's loads of other channels what I'm subscribed to, and what I watch and see what to do. We all make mistakes and we all learn by them, so I'm just going to carry on, and then I'll be back with you in a minute when we go in the polytunnel, because I need to water those things in there again. But mainly what we was doing today is try and concentrating along here. You can see how bad the fence is, and that's all because this neighbour gave up his thing, and everything's leaning forward on my one and everything, so I need to speak to them and get it sorted, because it's just a nuisance now. Right, so I'm going to carry on, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, we're still at it everybody. Just trying to get in between my tulips and that. All these stinging nettles and everything, I have to try and get as much of the roots out as I can. But you know, with stinging nettles already, they run underground and then they send off long roots, so it's hard to get rid of all of them. I'm just leaving my tulips and that in, and then I found my peony there. I want to get some more rhododendrons, and maybe I might have to put some bigger bushes in in there, perennials in there, just to keep the border, because something what grows up tall, so when those come over now, they don't push against my ones. So where I'm up to now is just the mint, and the smell of that mint is just so strong. It's a black mint, so you know how strong that is. So I'm gonna go around the other side and start from there and come round now, and then meet up to that mint. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, we're still at it. I have to be careful when I'm putting my hands in there, because all these are like prickly bushes. So just trying to get them down as low as I can and get everything out, what I can get out, I can get out. Got a rose bush here somewhere, and I think I might have another one there, but I might do it up to there, and then I'm going to leave that for next time, because all that is all mint, and then I'll sort out this bed as well, get this bed ready, because this mint is just taking over now and I need to get that sorted. But we've done quite a bit this morning, done all from the front of there coming round up to here, so that's a good amount. I've moved these out the way, all this is going to be moved, and then the potato buckets what I've got in there, I really want to put them out because they're just taking up space in the polytunnel, but I'm going to give them another week because it's getting very hot in this polytunnel now, with the heat in there and everything, so you know, you've just got to keep on top of everything. So I'm going to just do this little bit and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to get everything cleared up to a certain point, then I'm going to start working on all this mint and everything. So I managed to clean it right up from the fence. Right, so that's what we've been doing all morning. I'm tired now, so I'm in my polytunnel. Everything seems to be okay for now. I just touched the top of the soil. I just touched the top of the soil and it's still moist, so don't need to water those. Hopefully that should be all right till Monday. If I lose anything else, then I'll lose it. Then what I'm going to do is once I get everything going, get these beds dug over, get this one dug over as well. So I've got and then these carrots and all that should be able to come out by that time. Just having a see what their size they are now. As you can see, these have been growing all the time, and that's the size what they are. So put those back down there. So that's the size what they are. They're not. There might be some big ones in there. All these are short. All these are just wasting space. So I'm going to deal with that next time. And you see the sunflowers, how tall they are. Don't know if I can put them out yet. I thought these were the short ones, but these are look like these are the tall ones, and because they're in here, they're growing at some speed. My thyme's doing exceptionally well. These carrots are doing quite well now that I've weeded them out. They've stopped only the odd one or two weeds I might see in there every now and then, but apart from that everything's coming along. So just waiting to see if these come back through before planting out. These pumpkins seem to be okay. Trimmed them up and put them in new dirt in them and left them there. And it's just strawberries now. I've got to source some new strawberries and everything. That's about the only thing I think I need to source is strawberries and some other cabbages. So that's the only two things I've got left to source. But everything else, these hanging baskets, I might put them out next time, give them a chance outside, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. I know it's not much, but we're getting on with things as we go along and working with things as we go along. So just going to take these 2 carrots actually. And then you see like all this now, all this, you don't waste that. All you do just, I'm not going to open up my compost thing now, my fertiliser. You can put this in with all your kitchen waste as well, or you can put it in with your manure. So that's good stuff there. Just leave that there for now. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.